So this is the seed, and I'll have to separate it out, but you can see the little seeds in there. I have to separate them out, put them into one of these containers, and then pour some boiling water in there for 10 seconds, then transfer it to another fresh one for imbibing overnight. And of course, the dried material that I had was not properly processed, and the seed wasn't put down to being a seed type level material. And that's what I needed. So that kind of stopped my plans and made me back up and have to reprocess a bunch of the seed. And of course, it also makes you review what the biology of the seed is, so you know where to find the seed in the entire dried material. So it was very interesting, and I got a decent amount out, but there's still a little bit more to go. And they're in little pockets, and yeah, it's kind of interesting where it is. Like that's where it is. It's interesting. Learning lots about geranium. So restarting the kettle, and then of course we've refined the seed significantly there to reduce the genetic material that was not seed related, and it's a lot more concentrated now. There's just a little bit of a seed covering on one of them, a little bit of dust and debris, but not much, and that stuff will turn into mold potentially later on, so you want as little of it as you possibly can, but even you'll find the hot water process will reduce and eliminate some of that. So we're going to do a 5 to 10 second hot water rinse of these, like a kind of a scarification, and then we will dump it into our thing of cold water and imbibe the seeds for 24 hours after that. All right, so we got our boiling water here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and then we poured them all in there. We're gonna pour a little bit back and forth to like drain it out, drain some of that stuff back out and over. And there we are. We're all empty on that one, and now it's all in here. And they will be imbibed. I'm going to put a top on it and leave it on the countertop for about 24 hours. And what I'm hoping to see is a bunch of the seed will start taking on water and growing in size. And the external hard seed coat will be softened by the hot water, and they'll more easily germinate. After it's done 24 hours of imbibing, I'm going to put them on paper towel and a wet paper towel and do a cold moist stratification for about 6 weeks.